Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. Finally, breaking news, we received the result of TCS NQT on the Next Step portal. How to check the result and what is the meaning of badged status and what about the hall ticket. In the today's video, I will share the step-by-step process. One of the most important point, like and share the video. Your one like motivates me to make more video. And 5 days ago I shared the update with all of you that we received the result in the next 2 to 3 days, and finally we received the update. Okay, first of all, mention in the comment section, okay, that in your TCS Next Step portal, in the TCS Next Step portal, the badged option is showing or not. If the badged option is showing, you can write here badged is showing. Okay, what's your exam date, what's the shift, what's the exam date, what's the shift, and what's your course and batch. Suppose you are from BTech, you are from MTech, so you can mention like BTech 2025, so it will very helpful for everyone. One of the candidate, many of the candidate, their candidate badged option is showing now on 14/5/2025, means it's the today's date and it's about the 16, like 16 means about 4 p.m. Okay, about 4 p.m. the badged option is showing. What does it means by badged? First of all, we are seeing the candidate's screenshot. Okay, hi, badged showing on Next Step portal. What's your course and batch? BTech IT branch 25 batch and 15th March first shift. Okay, so candidate badged option is showing, badged option, and you can see whether this means I am selected for interview 15th March second shift. Okay, and what's your exam date, what's your course and batch, 20 March second shift. So what does it means by badged? Badged option means, guys, what does it means by badged? Badged option means you are shortlisted for your interview, you successfully cleared the examination, and soon they will share the next update with all of you. This is one of the way to check the TCS NQT result. How to check, I will also share the step by step, but the badged means you are shortlisted for interview and you cleared the examination. You can check on Quora as well. Okay, like the candidate has been shortlisted for interview, candidate badged on the Next Step portal means, and like candidate badged means you are selected for the next round in TCS hiring process. Generally the technical round would be the next. Okay, and in the previous video I already tell many times that the badged option is related to shortlisted. But how to check this? First of all, we will see the poll result. Many of the candidates are not about to selecting the poll. The reason is they don't know how to check this. Okay, some of the candidate mentioned the badged option is showing, and guys, the badged option is also showing in the form of phases. Phases means the different dates according to your exam date, the badged option will be shown. Okay, so no need to worry about that. We are waiting for the official update. We can say that, I can say that the official mail from the TCS team, in which they clearly mention that you successfully cleared the TCS NQT examination. This is just a way to check the TCS NQT result. How to check badged status? Go to TCS Next Step portal. You can go to Google, okay, and you can write the TCS Next Step portal, welcome abroad TCS Next Step, register now. And when you go to the login page, okay, after that the login page, the TCS application status will be shown. In the application status, you will be see your status like badged option is showing or not. Okay, first of all, this is the previous update. Application received, apply for drive, candidate badged, and after candidate badged interview will be happen, offer letter, offer accepted, ILP eligible, initial learning program, ILP schedule at time of joining, and joining letter generated. So this is the TCS application status. One most important point, the hall ticket are also showing on the TCS Next Step portal by some of the candidate. Your profile has been shortlisted for TCS recruitment drive, and today date is mentioned 14th May 10 am to 11:30 am, and the reporting time is 9 am at this drive. Okay, first of all, you already completed your examination. Okay, you already completed your test, and you are waiting for your interview. Hall ticket is just for TCS team system purpose. Okay, it is just for TCS system purpose. Like when the badged option is showing on the Next Step portal, so one hall ticket will be generated of the same date. Okay, hall ticket is not related to any of the examination or further interview. It is just related for TCS system purpose. Okay, one option is showing confirm availability of drive and view download hall ticket. please carry the document, but the timing is gone. No need to worry about that. When you click on the confirm availability for drive, there is no problem. This type of form will be open and they are asking your area of interest. Please indicate your area of interest. According to your interest, you can choose the interest 1, interest 2, interest 3, and after that the form will be submitted. And this is the previous year status, applied for drive, candidate badged and hall ticket generated. Okay, so no need to worry about that. It is just for TCS team system purpose. Okay, it is not related to the examination or interview. It is just related to the system purpose. When the badged option is showing, the hall ticket will be generated. So no need to worry about that. So we have to wait for the official update from the TCS team. Official update means the official mail from the TCS team, and the result in the form, result will be released in the form of phases. Phases means different dates, so no need to worry about that. And mention in the comment section, did you receive any kind of update or not. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching the video.